The Election Commission has asked political parties to submit in seal cover the details of electoral bonds received by them till September this year. In Uttarakhand, relief and rescue operations have been intensified to save about 40 workers trapped in Sikyara under construction tunnel in Uttarkashi district. The Ministry of Coal will launch the 8th round of commercial coal mines auction tomorrow. A total of 39 mines of 5 states are to be offered in this round of auction. The 42nd edition of the India International Trade Fair 2023 will begin at Pragati Maidan in New Delhi today. Union Minister of State for Commerce and Industry Anupriya Patel will inaugurate the fair, which will continue till 27 of this month. A delegation led by the Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Centre, comprising Indian non-governmental entities specializing in various aspects of space ecosystem, embarked on a visit to the Mohammed bin Rashid Space Centre, Dubai.